Ọ dighi agbanwe agbanwe. He doesn't change. An Igbo spiritual song. Ndewo. The lesson for today is titled Ọ dighi agbanwe agbanwe. He doesn't change. And it's an Igbo spiritual song that is quite common in Igbo land. It's a very short one and as well and easy to remember. But before we start, we're going to look at 4 key words that we will learn in this song. And these words are agbanwe. Agbanwe, the verb to change. Agbanwe, the verb to change. But the version that you will hear in the song is agbanwe, which is just change. So if I'm trying to say something using this verb, I would say something like gbanwerem nka, change this one for me. Aga m agbanwe ya, I will change it. Ọ gbanwere ya, he changed it. Aga m agbanwe ya, I will change it. Ọ is the pronoun for he, she, or it. So it doesn't matter whether it's a man, a woman, or child, a baby, a dog, a cat. Ọ covers that. Etu. Okay, let me give an example of this one. Ọ na-abịa, he is coming. Ọ yọrọ m biko, she begged me. Ọ kwaturu akpa m, it pushed my bag down. Etu. Etu is how something is. This is how this is. Otu a ka ọ dị. This is how it is. Etu a ka ọ dị. Gosi m etu esi esi nri. Show me how to cook. Mbụ. Mbụ, beginning, initial, or first, or at first. Aghọtaghị m ya na mbụ. I didn't understand it initially. Mbụ, beginning, initial, or first. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Etu ọ dị ka ọ dị na mbụ. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Etu ọ dị ka ọ dị na mbụ. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Ọ dịghị agbanwe agbanwe. Etu ọ dị ka ọ dị na mbụ. And so the words we've learnt in this song are agbanwe, to change. Ọ, he, she, or it. Etu, how something is. Mbụ, beginning, initial, or at first. In conclusion, always remember that practice makes perfect. Ka o mesịa. See you on the next lesson.